It's been such a long days. Hi. Since I make a video, it's because I was sleeping. Like, as I tell you that I couldn't fall asleep, I couldn't fall asleep, I couldn't get fall asleep. So since 2, 3 days, I was just continuously sleeping. Not like a continuous sleeping, but like I woke up after an hour and then I go back to sleep, and then I woke up after an hour and then I go back to sleep. Like it doesn't matter to me. I was just sleeping. And more than that, I don't. I my storage is full, so I buy iCloud. So I was transferring the data, and I do have topics that came out of my mind. What? That goes out of my mind now, but the one I remember are the first thing is I really wanted to shoot a music video on Jadoo Hai Nasha Hai Madhoshiyan. I don't sing, like I don't want to sing a song. I make a music video, like video direct a video on this song. I have an idea in my mind. But anyways, so I was listening to some of, like, we talk, like a lot of our friends were talking, and they were saying that how love is dead now in this generation. But the point is, love is not dead. You guys make everything love. Like, you met a person 5 minutes and you fell in love. Like, seriously, after 2 days you fell in love with someone else. That's not love. That's, you're just finding people, and you're just, I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but you're finding someone better, which is good. But the human point of is that now we are not just finding love, we are being in a relationship. We are getting intimated with them, we are sharing our life with people, and when we share our a lot of parts with different people, we lose ourselves. Like, like my whole body, imagine my whole body is like 100 boxes. I am giving each person a box. Now I'm feeling empty without them, and you cannot have everyone around. The terms is like ex up, being friend after breakup, it is stupid, first of all. So because of that, and also you are getting not just like talking in terms, you are getting intimidated with people, which is not a good thing. You are making a very different kind of a relationship, and you're using it like very normally. Like, yeah, it's not good. That's why you feel empty. That's why you feel void in yourself. Because you are giving everyone, I'm not saying girl, guys, anyone, everyone is doing this. It's some kind of a social pressure. You know that before social pressure is like get married and all of that. Now social pressure is get in a relationship, be with a guy. Oh my god, it's so cute. It is cute when you're actually in love. There is no race. Like, okay, everybody's in a relationship now. You have to be, or someone's in a good relationship, so you're gonna be the same way. No, everybody has different kind of a relationship waiting for them. So that's need to be understood. That's why you feel emptiness inside you. That's why you feel the void inside you. That's why there is something, and that's why you wanted to fulfill it with someone else. When one person is gone, you feel like empty, and you're like, okay, fill it with someone else. You're not actually filling it now with the same piece. You're actually having a new piece and filling it with your own another piece, and then it's gonna be gone again. So I know if you understand the example, good, but if you not, maybe you understand the words I'm saying, it's better. I'm just saying, be not like, oh my god, I'm love doesn't do that way. Love doesn't happen that way. Love is not like you saw everyone's been in a relationship, so you have to be in a relationship now. Love doesn't happen that way. Okay, maybe one person get a love in like 15 of age, and maybe it's written for you in your 30s. So don't just rush it. Don't just like, oh, now there's one more thing happening, oh, we need to make a trend or video or the things. Don't do that. Don't rush it. Love, or even if you are making a videos or things, don't give it a name of love. Make it like, yeah, we just make it. Don't be so connected with people, because you're only gonna find one. I'm not saying people get married and get divorced, that's a different case, but that took a time. You get in a relationship, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, you treated each other like a, like दुनिया खत्म इनके बगैर. And that is weird and disgusting, and like blah, इतनी जल्दी तुम्हें प्यार हो गया. So you need to understand that, and if you are in love, you don't continuously looking for someone better. That's the one reason. When you understand that you are in love, you're not continuously looking for people. The list that you have in your mind that I need this in a guy just vanish when you're in love. Okay, your brain stop working. You're like, okay, whatever it is, I love him or I love her. So unless until that's the case, don't waste your. Even I'm talking about the guys who likes to be in, like, playboy and cheater shit. Even the girls or whatever, you are losing yourself. It's not like, oh, I'm just here for fun, I'm just being. You are losing yourself. It's not never been about the fun. It seems like that, but it's not. Even if there is no emotions involved, you are giving something to someone which is very uh, uh very soul tie shit. I don't know how to explain it without being too much chaotic, but yeah, that's the case. So stop doing that. Stop continuously looking for love. Love's gonna find you. That's the one. That's the second point about love. It's gonna find you. You don't have to continuously be like, oh, maybe I love with him, maybe I love with that. No, love's gonna find you. It's never like you have to run after love. Yeah, once it's find you, once you get to understand that you're not the once you saw that person, you're not looking for someone else. You whatever it is, your brain, whatever they're saying, like, no, it's not a good, or we want this. Your heart is like, no, I want him. That's love. Okay, there is no point. Yeah, sometimes you fell in love with the person who actually fulfill your whole list. That's a win-win, bro. But still, don't look for love like, oh, maybe this is so good looking guy, I'm in love with him. There's a hell of a good looking guys in this world. Like hell of. Shut up and sit down. So I that's one of the reasons we feel such a void inside us, because we are giving our parts to people who are just passing by. And we are actually putting on like, oh, be in my life for like 2 months and then I have wife. Yeah, and also you get sad when one person gone. I'm not saying you are just playing in a whore. I'm also using these words for a guy, okay? So don't be like I'm just saying that to a woman. No, that's not a case. Even you are totally be like, oh, I'm gonna be with him or whatever. But when you're not in love, you don't pursue that much. You understand, because in this generation we know that we have free will, we have our rights. So we don't compromise much. We're like, okay, we're gonna find someone better than you. Then don't waste your time on people you know they are not your type. Don't be like, oh, I'm gonna fix him or her, because you're not gonna. You know your rights and everything. Now you're gonna every opportunity you're gonna find after this adventurous or the new kind of a kick goes down, and I'm like, yeah, he's just a normal kind of a person, so I don't want them anymore. So please treat yourself as a VIP, or a premium site who cannot be available for anyone. Actually, no one, like no one can buy it. Either a one person is gonna buy it, not even gonna buy sound weird, but not in that terms of buy. You understand what I'm saying, okay? So please stop doing that. Otherwise, you're always gonna feel void inside. You're always gonna feel like there is something missing, or now we are missing someone. And just stop that, okay? Don't go after love. Love's gonna find you when there's a time of it. Just shush and do your work, do your things, do study, business, whatever, travel, whatsoever. But don't do that.